Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 16th, 2025. It's been pretty darn warm. We've been getting rain. There's going to be more rain today and high winds today. It just calmed down some, so some stuff is just blown all over the place, materials and all. And I guess since it's going to be a real rainy day today, I'm going to try and get as much stuff in bins and just stack it to try and protect as much stuff as I can inside of the north shop there some, and get as much of this up as possible. But as you can see, so many things. I got the roof off of this area here yesterday. I didn't even know if I can even see some of my PVC connectors and all those and bins. So we'll do what we can do so far today. Goal is to try and just protect as much stuff that gets smashed. I'm going to cut up a few more of these truss pieces here and a few more of the pieces here that are occluding my pathway over here, and see if I can get stuff inside to protect it more, so that maybe in the next couple of days I'll be able to do some more demo work. Well, I'll tell you how bad some of these ladders are. Just completely wiped right out. So there's Timmy, my helper. Windy day today, Timmy. Kind of wild and crazy. So I'm gonna get back to work. Here we go.
Well, I'm not a kid, but I'm young at heart. Living in the country, it's a work of art. Walks in the woods where the quiet reigns. Beaver ponds glisten after winter rains. The gardens and forests, they're life to me. Feeding our bellies with simplicity. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day's a blessing, it's a life I enjoy. Feeling the soil and watching it grow. Even in winter when there's ice and snow, the land gives back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy every day. The food forests thrive, the seasons turn. In the cold winter's grip, there's still much to learn. Stored apples and squash and greens we've grown remind me that we're never alone. Digging in the dirt, my soul feels alive. In this country life, I truly thrive. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day's a blessing, it's a life I enjoy. Feeling the soil and watching it grow. Even in winter when there's ice and snow, the land gives back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy every day. There's joy in the simple, the work of my hands. The creeks, the ponds, and these fertile lands. A quiet peace only nature can bring, and a grateful heart makes my spirit sing. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day's a blessing, it's a life I enjoy. Feeling the soil and watching it grow. Even in winter when there's ice and snow, the land gives back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy every day. So here I'll stay till my days are done, living this life under God's bright sun. From gardens to forests, I found my home. Thank God I'm a country boy, I'll never roam. The mirror shows a face a little older now. Lines tell the story of where and how. I've walked the roads, I've paid my dues. Now I'm searching for the path I choose. The seasons keep on turning, time won't wait. I'm learning to embrace this twist of fate. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, letting go of what was, setting my spirit free. Life's a journey, not a race to run. It's time to savor the rise of the sun. There's wisdom in these hands, strength in my soul. Dreams I've carried are starting to unfold. I'm building a life that fits who I've become, not afraid to rewrite where I'm from. The winds of change are blowing through my door. I'm not who I was, I'm something more. I'm getting ready for the next phase heart that still burns bright. A voice inside says it's gonna be alright. The past was the prologue, the best yet to come. I'm charting new horizons under the same old sun. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, opening doors to possibility. Life's a canvas, I've got colors to choose. Every step forward, I've got nothing to lose. So here I stand with the future in sight, chasing the stars in the quiet of the night. I'm getting older, but I'm learning to see this is the next phase, the best of me. If you're new here, come on in. We've got stories to share. Let the journey begin. Life on the farm, where the air's fresh and true. There's always something new, something for you. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better, whatever the weather. From the crack of dawn to the setting sun, we've got chores to do, and we're always on the run. We share the moments, the highs and the lows, the beauty of life as it ebbs and it flows. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better, whatever the weather. It's not always easy, but it's worth the ride. Through the muddy fields and the countryside, we're learning each day, and we're sharing it too. Come along, there's a place for you. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better, whatever the weather. So hit that subscribe and stay with us a while. We're sharing our story every step, every mile. Welcome to our homestead, where life's rich and true. We're so glad to have you. We'll make it through with you.
Well, the winds have been kicking up too much to continue working out here today. When the gusts come, things are shifting around and falling. I have been able to clear off a lot of stuff here, took more of the truss parts apart here, able to get out one of the cages, one of the shelving units over here, and sort through. So many of the lights are just totally destroyed. you know, I'm afraid all of my power washing supplies and the pruning tools that are over against that wall are likely destroyed, unfortunately. I was able to get a couple of the shelving units out of here. Took one over there, it's destroyed. Still have a lot more to get out over here, but things are shifting, and I don't want to risk it right now. Oh, dang it. Just an absolute mess. There's my new sprockets for the Hulk down there. All these bulbs, cases of them smashed. My new power outlets. And the power tools all in here. My Craig tools all over there as well. But at least I got an opening that I can work through over here. And table saw looks pretty much wrecked there. So if the winds are calmer tomorrow, I'll try and get back at it. Running out of bins to put my supplies in, and I've got everything just completely covering every square inch inside of here, just stacked too high. It's pretty much impossible to even do inventory with the stuff being so thick here. And the insulation is blowing around. Oh well. So I think I'm gonna have to call it quits here for today. I was hoping, you know, after lunch things would let up some, but they're just not letting up. So that's it for today's video, folks. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.